Most people, regardless of their jobs and occupations, dealt with knee pain, especially if they put lots of pressure on their knees in the workplace. It is because knee is among the parts of the human body that tend to support the majority of your body weight. With that in mind, we have come up with the list of best knee pads for construction work to protect your knees while working. These protective gears will not only protect your knees at construction site, but also give you support to fulfill your daily activities such as walking, moving up and down, climbing stairs, and doing other vigorous tasks. Without further ado, let's get started.
Introducing Sellstrom's KneePro exclusive knee protection products. With over 3 decades of industry experience under our belt, we've earned the trust of professional workers everywhere for designing, engineering, and manufacturing the best knee protection safety products in North America. Using only the highest quality materials, our products are ergonomically designed and expertly manufactured with your comfort, productivity, and safety in mind. Sellstrom KneePro's UltraFlex 3 series are simply the best knee pad on the market. Weighing just 9 ounces each, these knee pads feature soft elastic, extra wide woven straps, and metal rivets that are hinged to move smoothly with you. No slipping, no binding, no cutting off your circulation. Virtually indestructible. The KneePro UltraFlex 3 is designed for years of hard work and heavy use with a strong, flexible plastic outer shell that extends in all directions to ensure added knee and leg protection. The KneePro UltraFlex 3 is widely considered the most comfortable, multifunctional knee pad available, keeping you safe and secure on the job. And unlike most other knee pads, these pads stay in place all day. Set them once and forget that you're even wearing them. The KneePro Hybrid UltraFlex 3 knee pad is the ultimate in knee protection. Offering all of the same famous features as the UltraFlex 3 knee pad, the new hybrid version offers the added advantage of a full 3/4 inch thick 3-layer closed foam cell pad that houses a guaranteed leak-free gel pack for optimum comfort and fit. The Sellstrom KneePro Hybrid knee pad is knee protection perfected.
DeWalt knee pads are designed to keep you comfortable no matter where the job takes you. There's a knee pad for every surface. Whether it's carpet, wood flooring, tile, concrete, or any rugged terrain, there's a DeWalt knee pad for you. Our multi-surface knee pad is designed with a non-skid, heavy-duty cap for added stability and wear. The layered gel technology over thick, closed-cell foam padding surrounds the knee for unmatched support and comfort. Our flooring knee pads have high-density, closed-cell foam padding with core technology which helps reduce pressure on your knees for extra comfort. The soft cap design allows for forward and lateral movement to be easier. Our all-terrain knee pads come with gel technology and a thick foam padding, which provides maximum cushioning for all-day comfort. Whatever the job and no matter the surface, DeWalt knee pads. Guaranteed tough. The knee pad collection from CLC is host to a variety of products, mixing comfort, function, protection, and durability to fit any job. Whether it's carpet, wood flooring, tile, concrete, or a sloped rooftop, there's no surface too tough to handle. Our multi-surface knee pad features injection molded polyurethane and gel technology that gives our contour fit kneecaps unsurpassed all-day comfort and support. Our StabiliCap design provides a solid kneeling base, allowing for easier forward movement and an increase in your range of motion. Our flooring knee pads have your choice of a soft cap or swivel cap design, both allowing forward and lateral movement to be easier. CLC also has knee pads designed for rugged surfaces. These knee pads come with a gel center and high-density foam, which provides maximum cushion on rough terrain for all-day comfort. No matter where the job takes you, be prepared with CLC knee pads.